Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the roles and responsibilities of SAP Sales and Distribution Consultant. In this video, I will explain you very clearly about the requirements of the clients from the SD consultants in the real-time projects. The following are the important areas where the clients are looking out from the SAP SD consultants. Point number 1, SD consultants should be very strong in the enterprise structure, configuration and assignments. That means enterprise structure, definition and assignment. Similarly, SD consultants should be very strong in handling the logistics structure of SD module. And one more important area is consistency check. All the enterprise structure, definitions and assignments, they have to check properly whether all the organizational elements has been defined and assigned properly in the SAP SD system. And the other important topics are SAP SD master records, configuration and customization. Say for example, in sales and distribution module, we are having many different master records, namely material master record, customer master record, customer material information master record, as well as condition master record. So, the responsibility of SAP SD consultant is to maintain, configure and customize all the master records in SAP SD module. The other important area is the configuration and customization of sales document types. What is a sales document type generally? In general, SAP has provided many predefined sales document types which has been extensively used for sales order processing. The following are some of the sales document types in the SAP SD system, namely IN for inquiry, QT for quotation, OR for standard order, that is standard sales order, CS for cash sales order, RO for rush order, RE for returns order, and similarly we have different sales document types for contracts, namely WK1 for value contract and QC for quantity contract, QC or NMS for quantity contract, and consignment fill up, CI consignment issue, CP consignment pickup, CR or CONR consignment returns. Similarly, we have sales document types for credit memo request and debit memo request. The sales document types, configuration and customization is very important from the SD point of view. Without this sales document types, configuration and customization, it is very difficult to execute the sales order processing. And one more important topic is SD consultants should be able to configure and customize different shipping conditions for delivery of the product to the customers. SAP has given some predefined shipping conditions, namely 01 as soon as possible, 02 that is the standard shipping conditions, and 10 the immediate shipping conditions, which is used for special sales order processing like cash sales order and rush sales order. Okay, the next important topic is sales order processing, customization and configuration, starting from inquiry, followed by quotation, followed by sales order, followed by delivery, followed by billing. So this is the sales order cycle. Okay, so all the SAP SD consultants should be very strong in the configuration and customization part of sales order processing. Okay, normally any sales order processing starts with inquiry, followed by quotation, followed by sales order, followed by delivery, followed by billing. And one more important topic is special sales order processing in sales and distribution. What are the special sales order processing in SAP sales and distribution? Say for example, there are many different sales order processing methods are available, or there are many different sales order processing configurations are available. Say for example, for cash sales order, rush sales order, free goods determination. Similarly, under free goods we are having once again two different concepts: free goods exclusive and free goods inclusive. And one more important special sales order processing is intercompany sales order processing and third party sales order processing. So therefore SAP SD has two different types of sales order processing. One is standard sales order processing. It starts with inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery and billing. And the second one is special sales order processing, namely cash sales order, rush sales order, free goods determination, free goods with inclusive and free goods with exclusive, and intercompany sales order processing. And the very important special sales order processing includes third party sales order processes. And one more important configuration that all the SD consultants should be very strong is SAP SD pricing procedure. SAP SD pricing procedure consists of standard pricing procedure, different condition types, different access sequence, and different condition records for the different condition types. So this pricing procedure in SAP SD plays a very important role, because in this configuration we are configuring the pricing procedure, we are configuring the condition type. In SAP SD there are many different predefined condition types are available. So we have to configure the pricing procedure carefully by selecting the proper condition types, by selecting the proper access sequence, by selecting the proper condition records. Then only this pricing procedure will be executed successfully in the SAP SD system. And one more important topic is condition exclusion in SAP SD. Condition exclusion in SAP SD is one of the very important topic where the exclusion of pricing will take place for some reference customers, for some special customers. And one more important topic in SAP SD is credit management. Credit management is nothing but the customer credit limit. Here in this configuration we have to set the customer credit limit, and then we have to configure the credit management activities in SAP SD system. So this is also one of the important topics in SAP SD. And coming to the integration area of SAP SD, integration is very, very important for all the consultants, because all the SAP SD consultants should be very strong in the integration processes. Say for example, SAP SD module should be integrated with SAP FI module properly. Similarly, SAP SD module should be integrated with SAP MM module. SAP SD module should be integrated with PP module. Similarly, SAP SD module should be integrated with SAP PS module. Once all the integrations has been done successfully, then only we can expect the proper output using the SAP system. And one more important topic is SAP SD enhancements. In my previous video, I have discussed about MM enhancements. Similarly, here all the SAP SD consultants should be aware of SAP SD enhancements. Enhancements means changing the standard order of the screen or changing the standard screen in the SAP screen of the SAP system. Okay, SAP has provided many enhancements, and SAP has given already predefined enhancements for each and every module in the system. So the SD consultants has to choose the proper enhancement which is suitable for modifying the already existing standard screen in the SAP system. And one more important topic is BADIs, business add-ins. Business add-ins is nothing but the advanced enhancements. Even though enhancements and BADIs are coming under the technical area of SAP, nowadays all the functional consultants are expected to understand the SD enhancements and BADIs based on the requirement of the client. The consultants has to identify the proper enhancements, and after identifying the proper enhancements or after identifying the exact enhancements, then the consultants has to use these enhancements for changing the standard screen, SAP standard screen. And one more important technical application to be learned by all the SD consultants are SAP tables, because we are storing all the data in the SAP system. The consultants should identify what are all the different tables available for sales order header data, what are all the different tables available for sales order item data, what are all the different tables available for SD pricing, what are all the different tables available for customer master record, what are all the different tables available for material master record. Like that, SAP SD consultants should be very strong in identifying different tables for different purposes, because SD consultants are responsible for the complete end-to-end configuration of the different topics like pricing procedure, sales document types, sales order processing, special sales order processing methods, intercompany sales order processes, third party sales order processes, SD pricing procedure, condition exclusion configuration, credit management configuration, and then similarly SD consultants are responsible for the integration of SD with SAP FI module, SAP with SAP MM module, with SAP PP module, with SAP PS module. So, all the SD consultants should have the strong working knowledge of the technical part of SAP also, namely SAP SD enhancements, SAP SD baddies, that is business add-ins, similarly SAP ABAP tables. Then only they are able to prepare the functional specification. Based on the functional specification, the technical specification will be prepared. Based on the technical specification, the ABAPers will be doing the coding, or the ABAP consultants will be performing the programming based on the requirements of the clients. Thank you.